Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change nameserver in IONOS, and I also have an actual use case scenario right here as an example where in the last step when connecting these two, Netlify and IONOS, they ask you to update our IONOS domains and nameservers. So we need to go to our domain provider, which is IONOS. Make sure you're logged in, click here on menu, and then click on domains and SSL. And here you should see all your domains listed. I'll go ahead and click on this one right here, and I'll show you how to change the name server. So you come here to the top menu, you click on a name server, and then right here, it is using the default name server for IONOS. Just click on use custom name servers, and then you can easily just go ahead and copy each one of these, paste it in right here, as you can see. And usually you require at least two, and number 3 and number 4 are usually optional unless the other provider requires it, in which case you go ahead and do it. And once you're happy with it, you just go ahead and save, and you are done. Really that easy, and that is how to change name server in IONOS.